такая вся, вот реально как наяву.
From our central London studios, good to have you with us. Now, there was some talk of minimum wage being frozen